So folks, today I am going to show you how to prepare chicken chili in a restaurant style. So first let's take a bowl, and to that I am going to add 1 kg of chicken. Yes, so here we have made medium sized pieces. It's not like a kebab piece, smaller than the kebab. So we have taken 1 kg of chicken, which is washed, cleaned and drained. And now to this goes 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and now to this goes 1 tablespoon of maida, and now to this goes 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Now to this goes 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now to this goes 2 tablespoons of curd, which is freshly prepared at home by mama. One tablespoon of oil. And now here goes salt, and add salt as per your requirement. And now here goes half lime juice. And now here goes 1 beaten egg. And now mix all of the ingredients nice and thoroughly. So folks, here we are done applying the marination to the chicken, and look at this, all the marination has properly binded into the chicken. It's because of the corn flour and the maida and all other spices what we have added. And now let this chicken rest in the refrigerator for the next 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, and then we are going to fry this and dunk it in the sauce. So this is how you prepare the chili chicken. So now let it rest in the refrigerator for the next 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll continue later. So folks, it's been around 4 hours, and now let's remove the foil wrap. Wow, check it out folks, look at the chicken. I guess the chicken is well marinated in this marinade. Now place the chicken one by one in the oil. Once you are done placing the chicken in the oil, don't put the spoon right away. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, or else the coating might split away in the oil. Now it's been around 3 minutes. With the help of the spoon or the stick, flip the chicken as shown over here. Wow, look at the crust folks, it has turned out slight brown, which means one side has been properly fried. And now let's fry the other side in the same way. And now folks, it's been around 5 minutes. The chicken has been well fried. As you can see over here, it has turned out very nice brown and crispier. And now let's transfer it to the strainer, or what we call the net mesh. Oh ho ho ho, look at this folks, the chicken has come out really good. As you can see here folks, here we are transferring the chicken into the strainer. When you transfer the chicken into the strainer, which keeps the chicken very crispy and fresh, or else what happens is when you transfer the chicken into a normal container, the oil which gets dripped from the chicken, also the steam gets trapped inside the bowl, which makes the chicken moist and soggy. So to keep your chicken fresh and crispier, this is the easiest trick to follow. And look at this folks, wow, all the oil is dripping out from the pores of the strainer, and also the chicken looks very nice, brown and crispier. Now we are done frying the chicken. So folks, now the next and the last step is to prepare the dressing for the chicken chilli. So this is the most important step. So first take a bowl. To this add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And now to this add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. And now to this goes 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And now here goes 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And now here goes half teaspoon of sugar. And now here goes 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Here goes 1 cup of water. So folks, as you can see over here, everything is well mixed and the sauce for the chicken chilli is ready folks. Let's keep this aside and now let's fry the veggies. So folks, this is the last and the final step. Place the wok on the stove. To this we are going to add adequate amount of oil. This is the same oil which we used to fry the chicken. And now let the oil get heated up. Now to this goes 4 Kashmiri red chilies. And now give a quick shot of mix. Once the chilies are slight brown, to that goes chopped garlic. And now to this goes 4 slit green chilies. Once we added the chili, it started popping up. And now folks, here goes 3 cube size onions. Two cube size capsicum, or what we call bell pepper. And now folks, fry these veggies nice and thoroughly till it becomes slight brown. Be careful not to break the veggies, I mean the capsicum and onion. It should be crispier, it shouldn't break apart in the wok. Wow, look. And now let's add the sauce into the wok. So folks, as soon as you introduce the sauce into the veggies, start frying it. It's just because what the corn flour we have added into the sauce starts thickening right away as soon as you add the sauce into the wok. As you can see over here, it's been just 30 seconds or so. The sauce has started thickening up, and now let's fry it till we get rid of the raw flavor. Then let's add the chicken. As you can see here folks, the sauce has reached to this consistency. It's thick and perfect. And now let's introduce the fried chicken into the sauce. And now folks, let's transfer the chicken into the serving bowl. Oh ho ho ho, look at this folks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.